Something is coming. I'm sure you guys can feel it. I definitely can. And the charts are showing exactly this too. And there's a few things I'm watching right now. And I also want to discuss what Robinhood and Binance just did with Shiba Inu. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So first thing I have to say is, guys, the trends are not always straight up and to the right. All right. I wish they were, but when we zoom out and we look at the trajectory for Shiba Inu, it is in fact up and to the right. This is the new trend, the recovery that's been set, and SHIB is banging its head hard, trying to break through these levels. In fact, I've seen some other analysts talking about the exact same thing as me. When Shiba Inu breaks through 4020, then it's a race towards 4028. It can move, what's that, like almost 40% in a very short period of time. This is the excitement we're gearing up for. And right now, the market is starting to show some of those exact signs that we've been waiting for example, for alt season to approach. So BTC dominance we talked about. We're waiting for BTC dominance to top. I talked about it being somewhere around the 60% range. That would make a lot of sense. And in fact, right now, looking at this chart, it looks a little toppy. It does look like, in fact, BTC came in a little overheated, and now it looks like it is, in fact, set to correct. And a big sign of this was actually yesterday as BTC bled, alts actually showed some resilience. ADA actually did quite well. I talked about that a little bit in my earlier video, but Shiba Inu is showing resilience now as well. This is where alts had an opportunity to lose dominance versus Bitcoin. They didn't do that. Okay, that's a very, very good sign moving forward here. Now, obviously, we're approaching the week of the election, which is going to be a very volatile time for crypto. And in fact, this may be where SHIB tries to take some of these stabs, maybe where BTC, in fact, turns around and tries to climb to a new all-time high. That would not surprise me if we hit a new all-time high next week. Not a guarantee. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but this sure looks like a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a slingshot like we saw back here, Same thing playing out currently. Now, what is interesting, and I tried to talk about this yesterday, but I was having really a hard time on the road trying to formulate this video. So there is actually a little bit of soft shilling going on for Shiba Inu from Robinhood, from Binance, and basically what these are highlights. They're talking about them, about Shiba Inu being more community driven, being more decentralized, right? And these are posts that they've done on their Twitter, which obviously have huge optics and people are in fact paying attention to. And this is leading me to this conclusion that the big boom for crypto is about to hit, right? So these exchanges are obviously businesses, and the way that they make their money is by trading, right? By people executing as many transactions as possible, right? Even if price goes sideways and there's a million transactions that take place, the exchanges are doing well. We're not, right? So what's interesting about this is Shiba Inu during the height of market cycles, when adoption is taking place, when excitement is extremely high, you tend to see Shiba Inu have the top 3 largest optics in the crypto space around the world. You tend to see it have top 3 most volume in crypto. This is the exact same thing that happened during the height of the last market cycle. It's the exact same thing that happened actually back here in March as well. For people that don't familiar, Shiba Inu was top 3 in terms of volume when it went on this massive spike to the upside. Not to mention the fact that it saw some of the highest inflows of capital in all of crypto. So what these exchanges are basically doing right now is, yeah, they're saying, oh yeah, we're just highlighting these things, but they're getting the optics out there for people that are paying attention. We're seeing a couple trends start to shift. We are in fact seeing exchange downloads, crypto exchange downloads on app stores on the rise. We're seeing Google searches currently on the rise in terms of crypto in general. Shiba Inu is rising as well. So we're kind of gearing up for, again, probably this next big pop in the crypto market. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. There's a lot of things that factor into this, but the excitement from the election, a new administration, whatever way it may be, right? And I have my own thoughts on that. Everybody's got their own thoughts, but these are the things that may in fact stimulate the crypto market. I've looked at ones in the past. We do typically get a little bit of a sell-off following the crypto market, followed by obviously a big boom, a big run-up. So know that we're probably going to experience some volatility. Last couple elections, it looked like we actually kind of gained a couple days leading into the election. So wouldn't be surprised if Monday was good. Wouldn't be surprised if Tuesday was good. Wednesday and Thursday are kind of questionable. So that's what we have to prepare for as we go into this next week. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. The time that we've had to accumulate, it's been awesome. It's been fun. The dips haven't necessarily been fun, but it's basically go time. The clock has run out. I don't want to quote Eminem there, but the time is for playing games is over. All right. This is now crunch time. This is go time. Don't mess this up. Alt season is approaching very quickly. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts about this. Do you think this Robinhood mentioning Shiba Inu, Binance mentioning Shiba Inu, are these in fact big things? And is this boom about to hit? Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.